Instead of burning out in the grind, why not become your own boss with me? Working overtime every day, exhausted, your paycheck disappears the moment it arrives. Stop overworking for nothing. Work with me. No office rent, no office politics. Be a brand partner from the comfort of your home. Your new identity, owner of premium products, exclusive authorization from top brands, boss with passive income. Orders are auto-assigned. You just collect the cash, zero cost startup. Free training, not a single cent upfront, 100% legal and compliant. Sleep easy, stress-free, especially for tired employees stuck with the same salary for 5 years, moms or students who want to earn but fear the risk, anyone fed up with the 996 grind and ready to take control. 3 simple steps to become a boss. Add me on WeChat. Gayo 767,301,666. Join the group, follow the free training. Staying stuck in a job won't change your life. Being your own boss will. Add me on WeChat and change your future now.